This puppy met with an accident few days back. You can see her eyes. That's an eye drop. Oh, sweet baby. Hey YouTube, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video we are gonna do something you would like. I think so, because we are gonna take care of these little babies. You can see them. We have settled up their room. I will show you where we are keeping them at night. Please show. There's the room. It has got light out here. In this winter season they got this thing out here to stay. Okay, it's not too much, like clean maybe, but it is the place where they can get the warm. Okay, because in this winter season, so they have born in this winter, and we need to make sure that we are taking care of them properly. And hats off to this person. He's one of my dada, because he's taking care of them. And one of my friends who's also taking care of them, he's playing over there. Okay, and I will not be able to show him. Yes, you can see him. He's playing over there. He's also taking care of them, but right now he's not in the camera because we are not playing with him, but he's playing with somebody. So we gotta take care of these little babies right now. Okay, so let us show what we are gonna do right now. And we got her, their mom. She's their mom. Yeah, she's feeding her babies. Good girl, good girl. Yeah, that's some nice nature. You can see that. Wow. Mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the rest? He's gathering all the puppies in one place. Oh, this puppy met with an accident few days back. You can see her eyes that has been choked, and we found some blood clot from here. So we are gonna take care of her. We are gonna see what happened. There are some pus out here, so we got some medicine which we are giving to her. So let's see. We are hoping for the best. I believe you guys will also hope for this. So do that. We have got 7 puppies total. And why we are gathering them, guys, let me go ahead and tell you in the next clip. Okay, come buddy. Come. Yeah, good boy. Yes, we got all of them. Where is the poor baby? We were unable to find the weakest baby. She's the weakest baby of this lot. Oh, this is their place where they stay at night. We got a bulb settled up here to make sure that they get proper light, and this guy takes care of them because it's his home, so you can understand what I'm talking about. The whole place is surrounded by this kind of little puppies. You can understand that. So let me go ahead and show you how we are going to take care of them. Okay, because those are very sweet and very cute. Whoa, we got few medicines because this baby was so poor. She was so weak when it was her first few days, and we had to take care of her in our room. And now she's doing a little bit good. Okay, so we don't know why her health is not so good, but we are working on it, and I hope she will be recovering very soon. Okay, and you can see he's preparing the medicines. Okay, there is the antibiotic, there is azithrol 100. That's what we are gonna give them because they got cough, they got cold. Okay, so he's gonna give it to them. First we will give it to her, then we'll move over there and we will feed them like the medicine I'm talking about. Where are you going? Don't go anywhere. Come here and wait, buddy. Yes, good girl. Wait a minute. Yeah, give the medicine. Let me hold you, little buddy. Yeah, I got her here. She's so sweet. She's a little bit, weak, but she is waiting to get, affection. That's what I think. So let's work on her health. Look. Yeah, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. Now you will get the vitamin. Okay, vitamin. I'm sorry. Look what she's doing. There's Zincovit. There's the vitamin. We are gonna give it to her to make sure she's working fine. She's gonna be fine within few days, within few weeks. She will be healthy. That's what we need to make sure. So, where's the medicine, dude? Look, he's preparing that. He's trying to give the vitamin. Good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. Let's let her go to her home, and she is doing okay at her home, right? So we'll move forward to the other puppies. We'll go for the accident victim dog. All right. I think she is a she. I don't know. Yeah, here he is. Here she is. Look into her eyes. Those both eyes are not same because she met with an accident, as I told you. A bike ran over her, but thank God she has been escaped, and we got some blood clots and some pus in her head, which we are trying to work on right now. So we'll be giving the same azithrol, we'll be giving the Zincovit, and we will give the Ciplox. That's what we are gonna give to all of them. Okay, so where are you going? Don't go anywhere. Wait, come here. Oh. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, little baby. She's really a good girl. She escaped from this accident, and we never thought that she would be surviving, but thank God she did, and we're happy for that. You're giving Zincovit, right? Oh, good girl. No, no. Yes, good girl. That's an eye drop. Oh, sweet baby. My baby. Oh. That's how we are. We are doing this kind of things right now. That's how we spend our days, So I'm not making this video enlarged right now because we have got few more puppies which we have to give the medicines for. So please help others. Please help animals to make sure that the nature is being balanced and it's being taken care properly. And I appreciate this kind of people who takes care of these pets, and they forget about their own selves, but they take care of these pets. And I feel proud that I'm also a part of him. I'm also part of this thing. And the main thing why I'm shooting this video, to make sure that in the whole world lots of people are there who can see those kind of little babies are suffering outside. I request you guys, please take them in your home. Please take them into a proper place where they can survive. Okay, save life. That's what we need, because life is the most beautiful thing. So say bye. Mom, Dada.